That's why in this video, just one editing will affect the picture that you select. It doesn't matter whether you select 50 or 100 pictures. All that you need to do is just follow me, and let me show you I can just do it. But if you're new to this account, make sure you follow, subscribe, and like this video for more videos from here, and I'll bring you more on your iPhone. Let's start. So let's open your gallery and let me show you how to do this. So when you open your gallery, I'm going to use this picture to show you how to do it, okay? So that we will just make the edit go through all these pictures that we have here. So one editing with this picture will affect all the pictures on the screen. So let me edit this one and let me show you I can just let the edit affect the other ones. So let me just forward this video so that we continue with it. Okay, so now I'm done editing with the picture, and as you can see, this is the picture, and you can see it is different from this one. Okay, so now the only thing that we can do so that the edit on this picture will affect the other ones is that just tap on the picture. When you tap on the picture, you see on the top right corner we had the three lines there. Just tap, sorry, the three dots. Just tap on the three dots, and then you can see we have this copy edit. If you don't see copy edit, just update your phone to the latest iOS system update. Okay, so you update your phone with the iOS update, and then you will get this right here. So tap on copy edit. Okay, so copy edit, and then just go back. You tap on select at the top right here. When you select the pictures from here, let me select the pictures and let me show you right here. So kindly subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and also like the video if you haven't liked the video. Okay, so after you've selected the pictures, then you see down here we have the three dots right here. Just tap on that one, and then you can see we have paste edit. Okay, paste edit, just tap on it, and kindly subscribe and like this video. So after that, you can see that the editing is going through the pictures. As you can see, the brightness and everything on the pictures are changing. If you look very close, you can see some pop-ups changes on the pictures. So that's how I can just make one edit just go through all the other pictures. So one edit has gone through all the other pictures, and as you can see, it is brightening most of the pictures right here. It is increasing the brightness per the edit that I made. So kindly like the video, subscribe, and I'll bring you more videos right here on iPhone. Stay alive. See you in the next video.